go. We are just getting our day started. Yes, indeed we are. Welcome in, guys. Ooh, I've gotten some kind of stone or something. Yeah, that snowed a little bit overnight here, so we're still getting a little bit of snow off the hood or whatever, but hey, we're on our way to Lebanon, Indiana. That's it, guys. That's not the greatest trip, but hey, that's what it is. That's what we got. That's what we're gonna do. If nothing goes wrong, if it doesn't snow too much or whatever, we'll be there tomorrow night. So we'll see what kind of load we get from there. What I've gotten previously was I gotten loads from there going to Toronto. Oh, this looks kind of weird where the lanes are supposed to be, but that four-wheeler just had to get around me, right? Yeah, that's how it goes. But anyways, we're on our way to Lebanon, Indiana. Hopefully we'll see a little bit of clear skies today somewheres yet. I know it's supposed to be fairly snowy up in Minneapolis area, or all that area up there. I know Scotty already told me, he said they're expecting anywhere between 6 to 10 inches of snow there tonight or today. So I think it was supposed to start yesterday already, but I wish them luck. I hope they don't get quite that much. That's quite a bit of snow, but hey, nothing we can control, right? So anyways, let's make our way towards the border. And I know this is kind of late because, you know, my videos are 7 days behind, but this happened yesterday and I forgot to mention it on yesterday's video. But one of my friends here from, you know, this area up here, his wife had an accident yesterday, and she's pretty beat up.
Narrow road ahead.
I think one of her leg or whatever was broken. Their car is completely totaled. From the sounds of it, it sounds like it's not her fault. Somebody didn't stop at the stop sign, like she was going on a major road, and somebody was coming off of the side road. They had to stop, and I don't know if they didn't see them or whatever. So what I'm talking about is the other people coming onto the highway either failed to stop or didn't see the other car coming, like my friend's wife coming on the major road there, and they just went right across on the road. And so basically she T-boned them. So you know, keep them in your prayers, guys. You know, I know it's going to be 7 days afterwards, you know, but you know, I'm sure they still need it, you know. I sure keep them in my prayers. So anyways, it looks like we got some blue sky out there. Yeah, I'm playing around with the settings on the GoPro 6 there, so I hope you guys don't mind. You know, I know I said this in yesterday's video already, but you know, I'm still playing around with the settings a little bit and see how everything is gonna be, and hopefully we can figure it out. And another thing that I was going to mention is, for any of you guys that are interested in buying a GoPro 6, make sure you have a really good computer. A brand new computer is what I'm trying to say. And if you have a Windows computer, you need to have a processor that's Katy Lake processor type. Otherwise, your processor won't be able to handle the video format file from the GoPro 6 if you shoot in high quality, like instance 1080 at 120 frames a second, or a 2.7K or a 4K. It records it in a different format. I think it's HEC forget exactly what that name is. High dynamic range or whatever, I forget exactly what they call it. You can look it up on the internet. And basically all you got to know is it's in a H.265 format. Let me repeat that again, H.265. The older format is H.264. So it's only out by one number, but that makes a big difference. Apparently that's supposed to compress the file a little bit more. And because of all of that, my laptop is 3 years old. It's having a hard time playing it. It's always just playing a second and it freezes, then it plays a second. Like, mine is a pretty high-end computer and it can't even handle it. So I'm having a hard time rendering it and stuff like that. Obviously when I render it, I convert it, like, you know, my rendering process is set at a H.26 format, but then I can play it, right? But it's taking me a little bit longer to render the video and all that, so yeah, I might have to upgrade here eventually for a new computer. Mind you, my computer has done really well too. I mean, it's already 3 years old, right? So I think it's done good. I think it's done a pretty good job. It's held up pretty good anyways. Still works great, don't get me wrong. It's not slow at all or anything like that. It's just not capable of handling this new format. So I don't know if you want to continue on rendering videos in 4K. Or I can't really play back, like I can't really watch the video file on my computer because it's not keeping up, right? So I can't, you know, record something and then put it in the computer and watch it to see if it's good, right? Because it's not playing properly. But anyways, enough of that. I'm probably going to have to get me a new computer anyways, eventually. So maybe towards the end of the year, maybe, or maybe next year or something like that. We'll see. Yep. Anyhow, let's get on down the road, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope you're having a good weekend so far. Alright guys, it looks like we've gotten a fender bender over here. It looks like, whoa, that looks like that could be bad there. Oy, oy, oy. Somebody's airbags went off, but yeah, that wind is starting to blow across the road here a little bit, and I guess these spots are starting to get a little slick up here. Doesn't really look that slick, but you never know, right? I mean, it looks alright to me. I don't know how they got into it, but oh well, you never know. Sometimes these four-wheelers, they drive too fast for the conditions, and then that's what happens then, right? But we do have the crosswind coming across the interstate up here, so yeah, it makes sense that it could start getting slick up here. It's blowing snow across, as you guys can probably see. But anyways, we'll get on down the road here and hopefully we can do it safely, right? Probably stop in Fargo and have us lunch or whatever. Haven't had anything to eat yet, and then continue on cruising down the road, right? That's the goal anyways. Here we go, guys. We have just gotten our half an hour break in and had us a good lunch. Now it's time to hit the road again. Yes, indeed. We had some Mexican food today, and that was pretty good. Ian, my buddy Ian, came and met up with me over there.
2 miles, take the entrance to the right on I-20
had us a good lunch. Yes, indeed. Alright, I had to quickly come to a stop there. That traffic light was changing on me there, so I had to quickly come to a stop there. But anyways, here we are leaving Fargo now. Gonna hit the 94, and look at the beautiful sunshine we got. Man, that's gorgeous. I love it. I really do. Kind of curious to see how the GoPro is going to handle being faced into the sun a little bit. Yeah. Anyways, I got a little bit of wet roads up here today. see that right up here, right? Yeah, that's from all the snow and the wind is blowing. I'll be happy once I'm on 94 here because I'll be going with the wind, right? That's the plan anyways. I think I gotta stay in this lane here. I have to look again, but yeah, I'm gonna stay in this lane and then we gotta stay on the left here, so otherwise we go west, right? Yep, anyhow, let's make our way further down the road and see what else we come up with today, right? I am now just passing Sauk Centre, Minnesota, ladies and gentlemen. And we've had beautiful, beautiful sunshine all day long, guys. We really have. Look at that, to St. Paul is 114 miles. Yeah, I'm happy that it is not snowing over here anymore, or at all. Last week when I came through here, it was snowing pretty good, and you can probably tell that it is fairly fresh snow out here on the right. Yes, indeed it is, but it feels like the wind has sort of calmed down a little bit too. It's not as windy, it feels like, than what it was earlier. Well, that's awesome news. And I'm just cruising along here. Yeah, it's about 20 after 4 in the afternoon already, and we're just giving her. Got a little ways yet till we will be in Minneapolis. My goal is to make it up to Toma tonight, but we'll see how late I actually end up driving, but that's kind of my goal. Maybe I'll go just up to Black River, we'll see. We'll find out when we get closer towards there, right? But anyways, I just figured I'd check in a little bit and show you what we're dealing with here today. Traffic is nice and light, as you guys can see. Nothing to be worried about, right? Our day has come to an end again, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed it has. Oh well, that's how it goes sometimes. We gotta come to the end of the day, right? Yeah, we made it all the way up to Toma, Wisconsin. Yeah, we did a good day worth of driving. I have 1,000 kilometers in the books, which is about 620 miles for the day. So we are done. Finito. Yeah. And I like it. We got a good day worth of driving. I think we got, what, 396 miles to go to our customer for tomorrow. So, yeah, not too bad, not too bad. And then we got us a reload out of there coming straight back home again. So, oh well, I guess we'll just have to, you know, do a reset again when we get home and go out on Friday. That's the way it looks like. I'll probably be home Wednesday night and then leave again on Friday. So, yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, start a new day, go in and have me breakfast. Is actually the next morning already, and we'll get our new day started. We got nice beautiful sunshine, so come back and see us what we're up to tomorrow. See what kind of breakfast we're having and what kind of day we're having and what kind of sceneries we can show you guys. So with that being said, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you back here again tomorrow. Do all them things that make us love our job, which is thumbs up, share this video, leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed, like and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you again here tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.